Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an X-ray effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to freeze frame it because I find it to be easier that I don't have to track his face that much. Go to remove background and select auto removal. I'll just make it like around 5 to 10 seconds. Copy and paste your photo or video. Go to the adjustments tab. Go to curves, and you're going to adjust this. Probably should have done this before you know what, I'll just do it later. Actually, it's fine because we need the background to be white anyways. So I'm just gonna go back here though, and I'll add in a white canvas to it. Okay, there we go. Let me just make some quick adjustments. I'm just gonna make it a little bit darker. Can't talk apparently. Anyways, go to stickers and type in skull and use this one and just overlay it till the end. Okay. We're just going to adjust it to his face. If it doesn't fit, you can always uniform scale it. And that's good enough. We're also going to just right click. I really need to make this blue instead of red, but if I create it, you know what, it's fine. We're just going to leave it red as is. Or actually, I can just go to adjustments here. But that would defeat the purpose of me like already doing that. Okay, you know what? It's fine. We're gonna leave it red. Select both, right click, create compound clip. And then go to the video section, go to mask, and select the rectangle section. And you're just going to want to add in keyframes and just move it around a lot like that. And then here. And then there. And then like here. It's totally up to you like where you want to move it. But that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.